Hello student, exercise number 1.2, question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first day, second, third and the final days was respective 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So in this question you have to add, because we have to find the total number of ticket. So we have to add the ticket that are sold on the first day, second day, third day and final day. So how we will do? Solution is, number of tickets sold on the first day is 1094, number of tickets sold on the second day is 1812, third day is 2050 and final days is 2751. Just add all, just plus. After adding, what will be the total? The total will be 7707. So the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days are 7707. So this is your first answer. Now second, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in the test matches. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. Then how many more runs does he needed? So Shekhar is a famous cricket player, right? And he want to complete how many runs? 10,000. But till now Shekhar has done how many runs? Till now Shekhar has completed 6,980 runs. So what we need to do in this question? From 10,000 just subtract 6,980. So this much more run he need to complete the 10,000 runs. So how we will do? Shekhar has so far scored 6,980 runs. He wished to complete how many? 10,000. So the total numbers of run needed by him is 10,000 minus 6,980. So Shekhar needs how many runs? 3,020 runs to complete 10,000 runs. Right. Now we go for the question number 3. What is the question number 3? In an election, the successful candidate registered 577,500 vote and his nearest rival secured 348,700 vote. By what margin did this successful candidate win the election? So again in this is the candidate who won the election and this is the other candidate. So from this total number of vote, we have to subtract this total number of vote. So we will know the margin of the successful candidate. So write it like this way. The number of votes secured by the successful candidate is 577,500. The number of votes secured by the rival is 348,700. The margin will be cut from this or just subtract it. So number of votes that is won by the successful candidate is 228,800. Okay. Now we go for the question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold book worth of rupees 285,891 in the first week of June and the books worth of rupees 400,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale of the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater by whom? So how we will do? The solution is, the book sold is rupees, how much of book is sold? Sold is 285,891 for the first week. And for the sold worth of rupees, how much in the second week? It is 40076. So first week and second week, just add the 2 weeks. So after adding the 2 weeks, we will get how much? 686,659. Now in the question they had asked first week together. So first we had in total, and in second question, in that only the second question is what? In which week was the sale greater by how much? So in first we need to add and in second we need to find the difference. So we need to subtract, we need to minus. The difference in the sale of the 2 week is 400,768 minus 285,891 of this first week and second week. after getting the answer, that is the difference of 2 weeks, therefore we can say the sale of the second week was greater than the first week. So sale of the second week was greater than the first week. And how much it was greater? It was 114,877. Okay. Now we go for the question number 5. What is the question number 5? Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 62743. Each only once. So from this we have to make a digit of, from this number we have to make a digit of 5-digit number. One should be the greatest and one should be the smallest. So first we become the greatest number. So in this the greatest number will be first 7, then 6, then 4, then 3 and 2. So we will write 7, 6, 4, 3. Least मतलब के छोटे से, small से start करो. From small it will be, from small the number will be 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. And then we need to find the difference. If they say difference, it means minus. Then the difference between the two number is 76432 minus 23467. So answer will be 52962. So this is the answer of your question number 5. Now we go to the question number 6. What is the question number 6? A machine on an average manufacture 2,825 screws a day. Then how many screws were produced in the month of January in 2006? So what we need to do is, we need to find how many screws are produced in the whole month of January. First we must know that how many days are in January. In January there is 31 days. So 2825 multiplied by 31. That will be your answer. So how we will write? The number of screws manufactured in one day is 2,825. January month has how many days? 31 days. Therefore, the number of screws manufactured in January is 2825 into 31. After multiplying, first you multiply with 1, then you multiply with 3. Right? 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 8 ones are 8, 2 ones are 2. Before coming to 3 put 0, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6. Carry 1, so write 7, 8 3s are, or 3 8s are 24. So keep here 4 and carry 2. And 2, you can say 2 3s are or 3 2s are, both will be same. So 3 2s are 6, 6, but before that there is carry 2. So 6 plus 2, 7 and 8. Now add this number. Both add this number. 5, 7, 15, carry 1, 7, and this will become your 8. So our answer will be 87575. Okay. Now we go for the question number 7. A merchant has rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order of purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How many money will remain with her after the purchase? So these are the rupees that the merchant have, and how many radio sets she want to purchase? She wanted to purchase 40 radio sets. So what we need to do is 1200, that is 1200 multiplied by 40, and whatever the answer will come, that will be subtract from 78,592. So let's see. The merchant has how much rupees? 78,592. And how many radios she want to buy? 40. And what is the cost of one radio set? The cost of one radio set is 1200. So 1200 into 40, it will become 48,000. Money left with the merchant is from 78,592 subtract 48,000. So our answer will be 30,592. So this will be your answer. Right? Now we go for the question number 8. So what is the question number 8? Let's read the question number 8. So a student multiply 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Do you need to do both the multiplication? This is the hint. So how we will do? Here first the difference between 65 and 56 will be 9. What will be the difference? It will be 9. So 7236 multiplied by 9. If we multiply by 9, what will be the answer? Answer will be 65124. So this is your answer. So we can say that we need not need to do both the multiplication. It is not necessary to do both the multiplication. Just subtract it, the difference. We will get the answer. Hence the answer is greater than the correct answer. Okay. Now we go for the question number 9. We have done 8, 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter and 50 centimeter cloth is needed. Now out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So first you need to understand that there is a shirts, and one shirt required how much cloth? 2 meter and 15 centimeter. And out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirt will be stitched? So first here hint is given, they convert the data into centimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, right? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So how we will do? The total length of the cloth is equals to 40 meters. So 40 into 100 centimeter, it becomes 4000 centimeter. Now need to stitch the shirt, one cloth needed to stitch a shirt is 2 meters and 15 centimeter. So first convert into centimeter. So 2 into 100 plus 50. So it becomes 215, that is 215 centimeter. Right? Now what we'll do? 215, that is 250 divided by 40,000. So first we will divide it with 1, right? So 1, it will be 215. After subtracting we will get 1850. Then we divide with 8. So what we will get? 1720. So left over is, the remainder is 130. So the number of shirt will be stitched is 18. After 40 meter of cloth, how many shirt will be stitched? 18. And what the cloth remains? The cloth that remains will be 1 meter and 30 centimeter. So remaining cloth is 130 centimeter, or you can also write in this manner, that is 1 meter and 30 centimeter. Now we go for the question number 10. What is the question number 10? A medicine is packed in a box, each weight 4 kg and 500 gram. How much of such box can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? So first we convert this kg and this kg into gram, and then we will solve the sum. So as we know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. Always remember that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. So here 4 kg. So 4 multiplied by 1000 plus 500. So it becomes 4500 grams. And 8 kg. So 800 kg. So 800 into 1000. It becomes 80000 grams. So what we have to do is just very simple. 4500 divided by 800000. So after doing this division, the answer will be 177. Our answer will be 177. Right? Now we go for the question number 11. The distance between the school and the student house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both the sides. Right? Now there is a girl or a student who goes to school every day, and from the house to the school the distance is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Then find the total distance covered in 6 days. So what first we will do? First we will convert this into meter. 1 kilometer plus 875, that is 100 plus 875. So 1875 meter. Now we know that the student go from the home to the school and come back from school to home. So we have to do the double the distance. एक जाने के लिए और फिर वापस आने के लिए, तो 2 times होगा, right? So what we need to do, if it is 2 times, then we multiply with 2. So this becomes the total distance. So what will be the total distance? The total distance will be 3750 meter. Now how many days this girl travels? She travels for how many days? 6. So 3750 meters multiplied by 6. And if we multiply by 6, then the distance covered will be 22500 meter. So we can convert it into kilometer. 22 kilometers and 500 meter distance is covered in 6 days. Okay. Now we go for the 12th sum. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glass each of 25 meters of capacity can be filled? So liter will be converted into milliliters. Now quantity of curd in the vessel is 4 liter and 500 ml. As we know that 1000 milli is equals to 1 liter, right? So 4 into 1000 plus 500. So what will be the total millimeter? It will be 4500 ml. It will be 4500 ml. So the capacity of one glass, as we know that capacity of one glass is 25 ml. So out of 4500 ml, how many glass can be filled? We just need to divide. So 25 divided by 4500. After dividing, we will get the answer will be 180. So our answer will be 180 glasses. So this is the completion of your exercise number 1.2. So please write down in your notebook. Thank you, children.